Hello guys and welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how you can tag someone on Facebook. So there are two ways on how to do that. The first thing, let's say I want to create a new post on Facebook and I'm just going to hit this option right here, what's on your mind, and I'm going forward to add a new photo. So I selected this photo from my gallery. So in order to tag someone in this post, I'm just going to hit this option right here, this blue icon at the bottom of the page. And right here, I just can select the person that I want to tag in my photo. And if I go back, you will see that this person has been tagged in my post that I want to create right here on Facebook. But let's say you already have a post on your Facebook profile and you want to tag someone in that post. So what you're going to do is hit this icon with the three lines and go to your profile, and first of all search for the post that you want to tag someone in. So in this case right here, I choose my profile picture, and if you open that picture, you will have this little icon right here at the top right of your page, and you can hit that. And right here you can just tap wherever on your photo, and this pop-up page will show up, and you can just go forward and select the person that you want to tag in your photo and then save your changes. So guys, this is all for today. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.